Hi there, Scott here from GBC Tech Training. With the winter break quickly approaching, I wanted to update you on our holiday closure and how it will impact our admin services and our technical and tutorial support. George Brown College will be closed from Friday, December the 24th through Tuesday, January the 4th. Over this period, we won't be able to speak with you, but we do monitor and respond to email inquiries. In addition to that, our online tutor will be checking discussion forums in the Student Support Center for postings. Please remember, if you want to take exams over the holidays, you will need to have registered for those modules by Thursday, December the 23rd. All new module registrations received after 4 p.m. on Thursday, December the 23rd will be processed when the office reopens on Wednesday, January the 5th. So on behalf of everyone here at GBC Tech Training, I want to offer you our best wishes for the holiday season and for a happy, healthy, and safe 2022. We look forward to talking with you in the new year. Happy holidays.